Hello, guys. I am with Shawl, and what Shawl is saying to me is that he has seen God. So, what I am doing, I am giving him the opportunity to share his story with you, to share his vision, so that you can have an understanding of what he says God is.
Hello everyone, my name is Charles. I get an encounter out of the unordinary. I was walking and I got blind and I want to share it with everyone so the whole Jamaica can know what God looked like.
Come and chat with Tania.
Hello, my name is Sean Creary and I'm from St. Elizabeth. 2005 December, on Christmas Day, something happened to me out of the unordinary phenomenon. I was walking and I get blind. My eyes them open, but I can't see. So I'm wondering to myself, what's going on? I wake up from morning, oh, I can't see. All of a sudden, I don't see earth anymore. I'm like floating. I'm on clouds, standing up, floating in midair. I'm saying, where am I at? I look like I'm in the middle of the sea somewhere. But anyway, why I'm guessing on all type of things coming to my mind if I'm in the middle of the sea or something. I saw a bright light shining, a bright light, and the light shine come towards me. When the light stopped, the light looked like a rainbow, but it's not a rainbow. It looked like a half a moon. And I saw two spirits in there. This is what they look like. I draw what they look like. They look like this. Their face shine like the sun, and they all shine like the star, and they have on a white garment. And they say, are you worshipping Buddha, Hindu, Selassie? And they call it religions. And I say, no, I don't worship them people from my pond. They say, do you know who's talking to you? And I say, all I know, Jesus sits beside the Father. So the man who's talking to me must be God. And then after that now, they move me out. They start to burn my body up. And my face start to melt. I start to beg. I say, please don't kill me. I don't want to die. Give me another chance. Send me back to earth. They move me out their sight. They put me on a narrow road. And I saw people coming down from heaven, but all of them black. I don't see no white. There's black people coming down in suit, felt hat, and they walking in row, like in ordinary fashion, like they go into classroom or something. But I'm in the middle of the narrow road, and they passing me on both sides. And like the first one passed me, I feel a sensation go through my body, a burning heat. Then the second one passed, I feel another heat. And I said, God, please don't let the third one pass me. I'm going to die. When the third one come to pass me, and God just move me out of his sight. Move me out of his sight. And then I go back to before the throne, and he said to me, go back and tell others my name. My name is Lord God and Jesus Christ, my son. That was 2005 December. Now it's 2020. You know, it's so many years now. But every time I talk about it, it's coming like yesterday. And I want to share with everyone, with Jamaica. I want to let everybody know that God is spirit. And his containers is like lightning. You know, I saw him with my own eyes. You know, and I just want to share it with you. Alright? Yeah, for those who want to see what God look like, as I see my own eyes. His face shine like the sun. He's sitting on a throne, but the throne is gold. The gold is like my complexion, and God art and face shine the same brightness. He got a white garment, and both Jesus and his father, both of them is twins. You don't know identical twins. You don't know which one is which. And after the vision, now I start to go into a search, a spiritual search, searching for the church or somewhere to worship. As you can see, I have on a black shirt. I hang out with the Hebrew Israelites, you know. I'm an Israelite, as you can see, I got the fringes at the end of my garment. Today's a Sabbath day. I'm supposed to be my brothers and sisters, but for some reason, I lose my work, and then I get back a different work. But I'm working on my financial problems. But at the same time, what's more important is the message and the command that God gave me. And he said, go back and tell others. And I believe there's many others out there who need to know and want to know what God looks like. And this video is for that purpose. For people to see. People are saying, I don't know what God looks like. But I saw in my own eyes. in 2005, December, on Christmas Day at that, when I got this vision, out of the unordinary. So I want Jamaica to know that you can see God, but God is a spirit, but he's different from us. He's like fire, like lightning, that complexion. And don't be afraid, because God loves us. He loves us all. All the people who he choose from before creation. God knows us and God loves us. Actually, our last name, the history of our last name has been changed. Everybody familiar that our last name is a slave master last name, but this Bible hold the key to our last name. When you look in Isaiah 44 verse 5 and Isaiah 45 verse 4, you see that God said that our last name is Israel. So when we went on the plantation and the slave master changed our last name from Israel, he gave us different last names. So we are confused now. We are separated. We are Gentile, but we are the true Israelites. As you can see, we are the one who this Bible is talking about from generation to generation. This is our history. All right. So what we are looking for is right under our nose, this book, and we not even know it. Right. All the time we ask, what happened to God people? We are God people, and this Bible is about us, okay? And if you are not Israelites, you cannot go to heaven. All right? This Bible is for special people, God people, Israel. Thank you for watching this video, and you can share it with your friends and family. And bye. Have a good one.
Okay, so it was wonderful hearing Shaw's story, and what I did, I gave him the privilege to share so that others can get the opportunity to listen to his vision that he has shared, right? So in the meantime, you can reflect on his word, you can think about what he has said, but in the meantime, what I want to say is thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. All right, bye.
Bye.